Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Onforu Smart Wireless Floodlight Camera. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way you traverse the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got this is basically a floodlight that you can replace your lights on the outside of your home. You can replace, it's an LED light and it does have a camera, so you can download an app and basically look at what the camera sees here. You got a BDS X05-2, it's 25 watts, so it's efficient. Input voltage 100 to 240 volts, color temperature 500K or 5000K, my bad. It says lumen flux. Yeah, here we call them lumen. I don't know why they call them luminous flux. 2500 lumen. It says life expectancy 30,000 hours, my bad. The camera's on the way, I can't see. It says beam angle 120 degrees, mercury content no. Alright, that's the way it looks in the box. So we got a mounting base here. We got 2 minutes registration, so I guess you can register your product. You got some connectors there for the cables, so some screws. So it does come with the seal. This is like a weather gasket. So if you're gonna be mounting this where it rains, you can just put this around here and it'll just seal it. Hot ground and the neutral. So pretty simple wiring. I am not a professional electrician. I am not a professional handyman, as you would call it. So do your own research. Make sure you guys know how to wire this, or pay a professional to wire this up. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just a DIY, just doing this by myself. Here we got some nice LEDs. You guys can see the LEDs in there. Set them any way you want. You do have that screw in the middle, the big screw. We got the camera with the motion sensing. You got some plastic there, and then you got some motion sensing equipment down here, and then you got the infrared technology there. So pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna go ahead and install this. So I guess you do have some tabs here on the bottom. You can loosen these tabs, and then you can move this light either this way or that way. Same thing goes for that. And then you do have some tabs here. You can move it up and down. You got some heat sinks here for the light. Alright, that's the light we're going to be replacing. My side door here. Gotta find the correspondent switch here. One way of finding out is turning on the light. Once it turns off, then you're pretty much good to go. Alright, the first step is to remove the old light after you disconnected it, or you sure that there's no power on this light. So then again, you do have to make sure there's absolutely no power by turning it on and off, or using a electric tool to verify that there's no power. Once you take out all the old mounting plates off, you can screw your own mounting plate, the new one, then screw the wires. I did not have a grounded wire on this outlet, so I had to screw it onto the metal box. The box is metal, so that's the way they used to run the negative cables. So you run the negative, or the ground, and then the neutral, and then the live wire. And then the wire kept sticking out, so I had to redo it again and tuck it back in. Make sure it got all the way in there. And then again it came back out. So yeah, once you're up here, you're having a lot of trouble, but it got in there pretty good. Alright, here's the app. I guess you have to sign up. Alright, we're here at the app and the phone. You click the plus hip here. The router does have to be 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi required to add the device. Alright, so once you verify that you're on the 2.4 gigahertz, all you have to do is just go down here to select video security, floodlight camera, reset the device first, power on the device to make sure the indicator flashing or prompt is heard. So I guess you have to put this in the camera. So let's go outside. Alright, we did hear it. Said I heard a prompt. Security camera device added successfully. Alright, here I am. Here we are. It's not the perfect installation. Like I said, I'm not a professional. It does work. So you guys see there. Hello, hello? Turn this off. You can take screenshots. And then you can record. You can record and then local video. You can go on the local video. That's what I was doing. When I was setting it up. So yeah guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. It's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.